All right, so if you need to sell your home quickly because you're pressed for cash, you are missing a payment, you've got a tax lien coming up, change of circumstance, whatever that distress looks like, and you need to sell your home quickly, there are lots of options out there, not just wholesalers. One of them is a wholesaler. What is that wholesaler does? He comes in, he offers you quick cash for your house. In exchange for convenience, you're leaving equity on the table. I have a solution to that. I work with real estate investment trust companies, with some of these hedge funds, and here's what they do. They will come in and say, listen, I'm gonna buy your home today. I can close in 15 days, and we're gonna give you this amount of money today. We're gonna then come in and do some upgrades to your home. Maybe fix the septic system, maybe finish the kitchen renovation that you're halfway through. We're going to make sure that that house is ready for the market the way we know the market's gonna receive it. We're gonna deduct that amount of money from any additional payment made to you. We're gonna put the house back on the market, and guess what? When that house sells for $100,000 more, $200,000 more, whatever that amount is, you, Mr. Seller, get that money back. In the past, the wholesaler is the one who makes out with the equity on your home. And while there's a place for that, I have a better solution for you.
So how much does a wholesaler stand to make?
My most recent wholesaler made $93,000 on a sale on a house that he flipped in 45 days. My seller could not wait for that payout. They needed something within 10 days. And so that wholesaler netted $93,000. More recently, I've had an opportunity to work with someone who said, you know what, I can take a payment now, buy my next home, and then I'll be able to reap the benefits after my kitchen renovation done, as my first floor renovation is done. And when that house goes back on the market, I'm going to pay a 6% convenience fee to the real estate investment trust company, but I'm gonna get the rest of the equity put into that house. We're gonna have very happy clients on this one.
And who can have access to these REITs?
So one of the things I'm really proud of is in this marketplace, if you want to work with one of these REITs or hedge funds, you're only going to find them working with me here at Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group, your home sold guaranteed realty. It's an exclusive program to us in this tri-state area. We do have parts of Florida as well. So all you have to do is give me a call. I can come to you and bring you anywhere from 4 to 8 cash offers within 48 hours, giving you the pick of the litter.
Cool. And why do these guys work with you?
So I think one of the things I'm so excited about talking about is working with these real estate investment trust companies and hedge funds. They're working with very select people across the country that are associated with your home sold guaranteed platform. We have put together this group of people. There's been a huge investment of money, time, and energy to put together better solutions for home sellers, because we want better outcomes for you, which then in turn means more referrals for us. You're happy, we're happy, and we have happy people at the end of all of it.